Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Let's tap. Then we have to scroll down again and find the option More Security and Privacy. Here, scroll down and find Encryption and Credentials. Almost at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so Clear Credentials. Let's simply tap on it and tap on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Be aware, if you've got the screen lock currently applied, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.